Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hurnaman and today I will discuss root formation and formation of permanent dentition. Root formation. Root is covered by a thin layer of bone and is present in the sockets in the bones of jaw. Root starts to develop after the formation of crown is completed. Epithelial cells of inner and outer epithelium proliferate from the cervical loop to form two layers of epithelium which is called Hartwig's root sheath. The first formed part of the root sheath bends to form a disc-like structure. The rim of this disc-like structure is called epithelial diaphragm, which encloses the primary apical foramen. Here you can see outer enamel epithelium, inner enamel epithelium, which grows rapidly from the cervical loop and forms Hartwig's epithelial sheath. Reduced enamel epithelium, enamel space, dental pulp, dental follicle, epithelial root sheath cells, epithelial diaphragm is shown in this diagram. After the formation of sheath, the root grows in length. Root sheath grows in length at the angle of diaphragm and now at its tip. The cells of lengthening root sheath induces the adjacent dental papilla cells to differentiate into odontoblast. Newly formed odontoblast then form the root dentine. As the root lengthens, the crown also starts to move occlusally. Single root and multiple roots. For single-rooted teeth, the root sheath grows like a cuff or a tube around the newly forming pulp. Development of multi-rooted teeth takes place in the same manner. When the furcation area is reached, furcation area is the area of bone loss, epithelial diaphragm develops tongue-like extensions that grow until they contact each other. This divides the root into two or three. Here you can see that the root trunk develops into tongue-like extensions, which later on forms two root and three roots. After the dentine formation in root takes place, the epithelial root sheath breaks down and its remains migrate away from the dentinal surface. They lie in the periodontal ligament and are called epithelial rest of Malassez. Sometimes when there is chronic inflammation, epithelial cells of Malassez proliferate into cysts and tumors. Formation of permanent dentition. Dentition is the arrangement or condition of teeth in a particular individual. There are two types of dentition: deciduous dentition, also called the primary dentition, and the other is permanent dentition. Here I will discuss the permanent dentition. Permanent teeth are second set of teeth formed in the humans that replace the deciduous teeth in the normal conditions. There are 32 permanent teeth, 16 in arc and 8 in quadrant. Deciduous anteriors are replaced by the corresponding permanent anterior tooth, and the deciduous molars are replaced by the permanent premolars. The full permanent dentition is completed much later during the permanent dentition period, which is between 17 and 38 years. Permanent dentition also arises from the dental lamina, the tooth germ that give rise to the permanent incisors, canines and premolars forms due to proliferative activity. The molars do not have deciduous predecessors, so the tooth germs do not originate the same way. Here you can see the chronology of primary and permanent dentition. You can see the duration of calcification, crown completement, eruption and root completion for both primary dentition along with the permanent dentition. The teeth in primary and permanent dentition develop essentially in the same manner but although at different times. Thank you.